How not to overthink, just start. Now, the secret to not overthinking is staying consistent, even when you don't feel like it. We don't fail because we're incapable. We fail because we're inconsistent. Everyone can start. That's easy. The real skill, the rare advantage, is staying in motion after day one. Part 1. The truth about discipline. People think consistency comes from willpower. It doesn't. Willpower is emotional, and emotions are unstable. Some days you feel like it. Most days you don't. If your success depends on how motivated you feel, then you've already lost. Part 2. The brush your teeth rule. Do you brush your teeth motivated? Do you hype yourself up with Rocky music before flossing? No. You don't negotiate. You don't overthink. You just do it. That's how winners treat their goals. No permission. No debate. Identity over emotion. Part 3. Rewire this belief. Most people act like beginners forever. They keep telling themselves, I'm trying to become disciplined. I'm trying to get productive. No. Don't try to become. Decide you already are. A fit person doesn't try to go to the gym. It's just routine. A creator doesn't hope to post. It's just what they do. A leader doesn't feel ready. They act before clarity. Identity first. Action follows. Part 4. Make it impossible to fail. Stop relying on motivation triggers. Use friction and environment. You can put your workout clothes out the night before, or you can delete and used apps from your home screen. And you can use autopay, public commitment, timers, blocking software. You don't rise to your ambition. You fall to your systems. Part 5. 2-minute momentum trick. Here's how you beat resistance instantly. Make the first step so tiny it feels stupid not to do it. Just open the document. Just walk outside. Just press record. You could delete it anyway. Just write one sentence. Most people accidentally write 10. Because once you start, your biology helps you. Action generates desire, not the other way around. Part 6. You don't owe yourself greatness. You owe yourself consistency. Forget perfect. Forget massive results. Consistency is the gateway to every result you want. Even a weak workout beats the perfect workout you don't do. Even a short video beats the cinematic idea you never filmed. Even an imperfect start beats years of planning. Part 7. Closing activation. Do not wait for confidence. Confidence is a reward, not a prerequisite. The only question right now is this. What can you begin in the next 60 seconds without overthinking to move forward just 1 inch? Not tomorrow, not after more planning. Right now, because once you move even slightly, momentum does what motivation never could. Your future is waiting for your first step. At the end of the day, it's simple. Your future is not waiting for more motivation. It's not waiting for the perfect timing. It's not waiting for permission from anyone else. It is only waiting for you to move. Not someday, not when you feel ready. Now, because the truth is nothing changes until you do. The version of you that you keep imagining, they do not appear randomly. They are built one brave, imperfect action at a time. So this is your moment. Not to think, not to prepare, to begin. Take the first step, even the smallest step, and let the rest unfold. Because momentum will carry you forward. Growth will meet you halfway. And everything you want is already on the other side of starting. Thank you, and don't just leave inspired. Do it, and leave in action. Your bright future is waiting.